Ratchet. What's poppin', Ratchet? Hold on, wait a minute. Y'all thought we was finished. Ratchet CHATZ is going live with it again. Hey, Ratchet CHATZ. Ratchet. Welcome.
What's up?
Ratchet CHATZ, welcome!
Obviously, that's my song.
Welcome, Ratchet. Happy birthday!
What's going on? Happy Wednesday. We missed y'all last week. We skipped last week because of the holidays. Oh, I got my weed all in my brain.
Ooh. Welcome to another episode of Ratchet CHATZ podcast. I am your girl, Elle.
And I'm Erica.
I'm Kayla. And we are your hosts of Ratchet CHATZ podcast, POTcast, because we do smoke on this show.
We smoke pot on this hoe.
And that's why it's called podcast. So, Kalu, where can all of the people... Ooh, my bad, Ratchet. Yes, why can...
It doesn't show.
We know no Ratchets?
I don't know. Hope so.
Oh, no.
Yes, sorry.
Oh, my God. Just kidding. All right, Ratchet. So, Kalu, for the people who are new to the show.
For all y'all don't know, which you should know by now.
You should know by now.
Make sure you follow Ratchet_CHATZ with the Z.podcast. That's on Instagram. And you can also subscribe on YouTube, which is Ratchet_CHATZ podcast. And the link is in the bio. So if you forget, the link is in the bio. Click the link and then subscribe.
Yes,
Turn the notifications on so you know every Wednesday at 9:30, Ratchet CHATZ will be on.
Stop playing.
Stop playing with me.
Fuck with the code.
I just want to know reasons why y'all don't follow.
Give me one reason why y'all haven't liked the subscribe.
Bitches.
We funny as fuck.
And we hood as fuck.
And classy sometimes.
What's not to like about Ratchet CHATZ podcast?
Everybody want to get ratchet.
Everybody got a little ratchet in them.
Okay, so Ratchets, what's up?
Everything is up. You know what? Before we talk about what we talking about tonight, oh yeah, well, I never mind. So what we talking about tonight is social media. Tonight, we just gonna be talking about everything that's popping out between April and this. Motherfucking me cucumber sucking dick ass hoes.
Nasty hoes.
Motherfucking
right?
locked up. So we just gonna talk about that tonight, and we just gonna, just ramble off of that shit and see where the motherfucking conversation leads us. So
With that being said, y'all already know what motherfucking time it is. If you're new to the show, we have a ratchet cheer that we do to get everybody in the mood for what we're about to talk about tonight. And if you are a fellow follower of ours, you already know what to do in the comment section. We need those hand claps if you motherfucking know this cheer. Ratchets!
1, 2, 3.
If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your clique will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap your ass. Clap your ass, clap your ass, clap your ass.
Shake that ass, hoe.
Shake it.
Get a bag, hoe.
Welcome. So, with that being said, let's talk about dog ass hoes.
Let's talk about dog ass.
And we're gonna start with
April.
she's a dog ass hoe.
February, March.
April.
Y'all, I mean, this is blowing out of
Okay, so for people who don't know what's going on, April used to fuck with Amaria, who was a B2K member. Now she's also had 2 kids by him. Okay, so they're no longer together. Now she's fucking with one of the other band members, Little Fizz, who was also a former B2K member. She's fucking these niggas. She went on live recently rambling about the niggas who want her fat ass pussy. So we just gotta elaborate a little bit.
April say, I got 20 niggas with this pussy on sale for.
April, that's nothing to brag about.
April,
Sorry.
chill.
April,
Why
why?
is that something you're bragging about?
April.
Bragging about something, I don't know.
What you think? Taylor, tell me why you think she's doing this.
I don't know, because she's a pretty girl. She really is. You don't need the cloud. So I'm just really confused why you doing it.
And then she doesn't need the cloud.
All these niggas out here, why would you have to mess with Omarion's band member, his friend? I just don't get it. Like,
so does it put you in the mind that this whole motherfucking time you could have been having a thing for my nigga?
This whole time.
And I feel like it's fucked up on both of their parts, not even just April.
Because we just looking at April. We haven't talked about Fizz.
Fizz, you know, yeah, niggas do nigga shit, but that was your partner.
That's some hoe ass nigga shit.
That wasn't just your partner. That was kind of like your brother. Even though y'all may not be cool no more, I just feel like respect, just loyalty. Even like I said, even if y'all not cool no more,
which I don't
my
think
nigga,
they are.
it's just certain lines that you don't cross. Like friends and not friends. It's certain shit you just don't do.
And you're the public eye. You have to remember that. And I get what she said. We do have lives too. But it's just certain lines you don't cross. Fizz and April, y'all both out of there. But who is more wrong? Fizz or April?
Both of them.
They're both. Because
they both are equally tied to us.
That's Omari and Lil Fizz, they were friends. You seen them on Love and Hip Hop, they were friends. Y'all just went on tour with each other. Y'all were friends. Then you come back and now you fucking his baby mama.
But I don't think this is something new.
I know. But for a long time she said, oh, her and Fizz were just friends. They were friends before Omari, and now you on social media bragging that y'all fucking around.
But my confusion is, if you want to blast you and Fizz's new relationship, why blast all the other niggas who want your pussy right now? I thought you just said you and Fizz is newly together. So why would you brag about 20 other niggas if you and this nigga just started putting it out there y'all fucking with?
April tripping.
I don't know. I just feel like they're both wrong.
Pills or some shit. She tripping out.
And the fact that Fizz hasn't made a statement, which he's not. He's not gonna entertain the shit.
Why is he?
Why would he?
April ain't nobody entertaining that shit. Not even home.
No, Moniece is. Moniece is.
Of course, Moniece is. Ooh, my bad. Of course, Moniece is. Moniece ain't got shit else better.
Moniece don't want him with nobody. Every bitch she's been with, she's had an issue with.
But Moniece did put this out a while ago.
Because again,
this is not new. It's not new.
April, you
April just confirmed it in 2019. But Moniece been had put this shit out a long time ago. Nobody just didn't believe it.
That's just dirty. That's just dirty on so many levels. Like I said, it's dirty on both parts. April, you look, I don't know. To me, you just look thirsty. You like a thirst trap. You look. If them 20 niggas wanted that pussy, there'd be a fool that still want that pussy.
But my thing is, if all them niggas did want it, why you letting everybody know how many niggas want to fuck you? Or why would you put all these other rappers' business out there? What if these big niggas got bitches now? Or these niggas, you ain't fucking with them no more? You breaking the code, bitch. Shut the fuck up.
Like I said, it kind of looked like you just doing shit for clout at this point. And I don't see why, because you know.
But Kaylu, that's negative clout. That's not any type.
But that's what people
clout.
feed on. People don't feed on positive clout. People feed on negative clout. That's what social media is.
You looked at like trash now, ho. You had a good image.
People are tuned in.
At first, I thought she was so classy.
Exactly. Everybody thought she was.
April, you just a hoe.
My little dog, baby.
That's what she probably want. She want people talking about her ass.
Dirty hoe.
And that's just hilarious.
That pussy having that hoe.
Y'all know her just hilarious, like best friends. What y'all think? Ratchet, is April out of there or what? Is Fizz out of there or what? Who right, who wrong? Talk to me, Ratchet. Let me know what the fuck y'all think, because this is some fucked up shit. The fact that they even have kids about some really little Fizz, you finna be the little kid stepdaddy.
Yeah, uncle. You the stepdaddy,
Well,
that's just weird. That whole situation weird. How do y'all think Omarion feels?
Omarion is probably fucked up.
Well, he's probably been over April, because they have been broke up for a minute.
Not even if you're over it, it's still like, really? Y'all together? That's just like if I ended up with your baby daddy.
No matter how long we been broke up.
That's like, really?
Yep.
Yeah. So, I don't know.
So if that happened,
I'd be mad as fuck.
Would you still be cool with
No.
Erica?
Yeah, so that is, okay, so that's a good question. If me and you was cool, and let's just say we have our podcast.
Right.
And me and my baby daddy haven't been together 6-7 years now.
Right.
And later on down the line, y'all happen to link up. Y'all were always cool, but y'all end up linking up 6-7 years later.
What you gonna do?
Do I stop fucking with her and me and him got kids together?
It'll be too awkward. Even though I don't have no feelings for this man, it'll just be like, nah.
I couldn't do it.
That ain't that's
So you gonna be
now I'm not
fucking
gonna
up.
beef with you, but I'm gonna let you know I'm not gonna accept that shit.
Right.
And I probably, if you gonna do that, I'm not gonna be around you and him. Like I'm gonna stay away from you. Like I'm not gonna beef with you because again we're not together. It has been a long time.
Right.
But
Cause what if she come to you on something like I'm really in love with him?
like bro, like you know,
I'm in love with him.
oh that's so hard.
Like I'm in love with him, bro. I don't want to mess up my
I
friendship.
love you to
But
death.
I
But
love
we
him.
really have
I
fallen
can't
in
tell
love
you
with
why.
each
I
other.
just love him. We fell in love.
Bitch, fuck.
What do you do?
Ooh.
Yeah, my face. Bye.
Ooh.
Give me that lighter before you go. Hit that light.
Okay, like this is for real though.
I'm so serious. It's not gonna be cool. I'm not gonna be cool with that.
You're not gonna be cool with it.
I'm not. I'm not gonna be on some. Oh yeah, come over, bitch. And you really finna go home when you get done kicking it with me. You finna go home to my baby daddy.
Yeah.
No, I'm not cool with you like that. I mean, what's up? I ain't gonna be beefing with you because I don't want the nigga true enough.
That's also I'm not
Ain't
gonna
no-
beef with
no,
you because it ain't like you slept. You went behind my back and you slept with my nigga type
But I'm
shit.
not finna be on no. I'm gonna fall back from you. You'll notice the difference between us.
I'm just gonna say my piece about it. I'm gonna let you know how I feel, and I'm gonna leave it up to you to proceed.
Would you feel something?
But she's in
I
love with him. So
I know.
Ain't no leaving it up to her.
Would you feel a certain type of way?
Yeah, I would. Shit, that's weird. It's just weird. You want me what to come out to eat with y'all and hang out?
My little girl playing with your little girl.
What?
My little girl go to your house, her daddy there.
It's so much confusion. No,
What?
no, it's just weird. What?
I
No.
want to go to daddy's house. No.
No.
Not daddy's house.
That's throw though. It's some shit out here like that.
I'll probably be like Erica. Just fall back.
Yeah.
I ain't
Like I
gonna
said,
stop
I'm
being
not
your
gonna
friend.
beef.
It ain't gonna be no, like, we ain't gonna be kicking it like that, though. I can tell you that.
I ain't gonna try to fight you though. I ain't gonna try to fight you because, like I said, I've been over it. But
I'm
and
definitely
you
gonna
can't
try
even be
that.
like a woman.
I be
You
more
can't
mad
be
with
like
you
a woman.
than my baby daddy, though. I would be more mad with you than him.
Yeah.
I agree.
Because, I mean, fuck him. But, bitch, you.
Why would you even be looking at her?
Why would you?
I guess you.
And then it just kind of make you think, how long have y'all been looking at each other like that? Like, it's just weird.
I don't know.
That is
That's
so
crazy.
weird.
I don't know. I wouldn't be able to fuck with it.
I don't know which way.
I don't know. It's too much going on.
Yeah,
Oh.
No.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, rotation. That's one thing y'all ratchets need to learn. The rotation when y'all smoking. Followers. Y'all too. I'm sure y'all be fucking up when it comes to passing the blunt. So, let's talk about the cucumber hoes.
Okay.
Yes.
First
That
up,
was our next question.
Tonight we wanted to do the cucumber challenge for y'all.
Y'all ready?
Y'all ready?
Get your cucumber.
Can you bring us our cucumbers?
There you go, right there. Right there.
Yeah. Suck on
Suck
that.
on that. Okay, so how do you ladies feel about these girls? Cause you look girls doing dumbass shit like that.
You look stupid.
You look dumb as fuck.
You look dumb. You look dumb, how? Let me tell you why. Because you out here acting like you sucking dick. That's why you look dumb.
You really
pretending
sucking a
like you
vegetable?
sucking dick. That's why you look dumb. Why would you want to pretend like you sucking a dick?
Is this a challenge?
Again. In
A
case somebody
dumbass
missed
challenge.
it. In case you missed it. You look dumb.
Fake
Because
sucking.
you're pretending like you're sucking a dick. That's dumb.
I say let's just do a suck dick challenge if y'all gonna do it.
And then
Might as well.
Y'all, I mean, you don't have to put the nigga on there. Y'all sucking the cucumber.
And
So at this point, I just say let's just suck dick challenge.
just say you suck dick.
At least we not pretending.
we don't
That's
That's like-
That's so real.
Y'all be trying to promote
Because
how
that's
well
what you're trying to
suck
do
dick.
anyway.
Why is that your best? Like, is that your best hot? Like your skill? One of your most creative skills? Why are you promoting you sucking dick? Why is this something you want to promote to the world? Why?
Like I said, we gonna try to if we gonna try to show everybody how deep we can go, let's get some real dick. So I just say if we gonna challenge and let everybody know how motherfucking deep we can go, let's just get some real dick because that's the real challenge right there. You hoes ain't sucking on no cucumbers every day. It's time to get down to action. You hoes need to get some big dicks. Go find you a nigga with a big ass dick and let's see how hard you swallow.
hoes out.
Yeah.
Put that business to use, baby girl. Go on, get on the corner, or not even the corner. Get on one of these whole ass websites. Suck you a real dick and get you some money up out of it. Don't be out here sucking cucumbers for views, hoe.
Cause you're doing it for likes and
comments. Suck you some
comments.
real dick and get you some paper. You
I
might
don't
as
get
well,
it.
hoe.
I just don't.
Why would you be on the computer sucking a cucumber?
How many of you hoes got a check off doing it?
Please tell me for
How
every
many
like you
got a
getting
check
$1.
tonight?
Please tell me for every like you getting $1.
I just don't understand. So how many of my ratchets can agree? Get out that fake shit. If you want to go around trying to let everybody know how deep you can do it, get some real dick.
No,
Show
that's
us.
it.
I want to see how you can suck a real dick.
You can suck dick.
Everybody can suck dick, hoe. You're not special because you can deep throw. Any
Okay,
bitch
my
that's been
question
sucking
is-
dick over 5 years should know how to deep throw, hoe. You're not special. You're not gonna get wiped. Period.
Not.
He gonna fuck you and keep it moving. Cause
Just
everybody
stop.
else done seen how good you suck dick. He don't want this wipe after like that hoe. Bitch.
Exactly.
Just chill. Just stop.
You look dumb.
You look dumb as fuck.
Oh my God. Knock your bitch ass out, suck my hoe ass cucumber.
I
Bitch
just
don't
get
even
it.
know how to spell cucumber trying to suck one, bitch.
Bitch don't even know what that hoe is. She didn't even know that shit was a vegetable.
Bitch, can you peel one hoe?
Nah, real shit.
Make a cucumber salad, bitch.
What the bottom of your refrigerator look like, hoe?
Bitch, you got spoiled cucumbers in there.
Onions, skin and shit all
Yeah,
over the
make a good cucumber salad,
that?
hoe. Show that skill, bitch. Get in that kitchen.
Clean that refrigerator out.
All we gotta say is, ho, stop.
Meat juice in the freezer and shit. Froze up meat juice and shit in the freezer and shit.
Y'all hoes.
Mildew all in your bathtub.
Stop.
Come on, hoes.
Stop.
Come on, hoes. Clean up.
Stop.
Ajax, let your shit sit.
Nah, they too busy doing this.
Nah, hoes don't even know about Ajax.
Nah, they doing this.
Oh my God.
Hoes. What?
For likes.
Young ass hoe.
Likes.
Please, young ass hoe.
Slime. What about the bitch with the slime? The thick shit.
You look sick.
She had all the celebrity niggas comment on her.
I bet she was so happy.
Carlos bitch dancing. She had Meek Mills, Chico, everybody commented on
probably-
her.
she felt like it was life
She
gone.
might get a check. And you know what?
For what? And from who?
Them niggas probably
Now this
want
bitch
their
get
dicks
flew
up.
out. Now
They
this
ain't
Them niggas finna cash out of that house for them to suck her dick.
Bitch, they ain't gonna
Yeah.
cash out. They gonna probably make that house. Yeah, hell yeah, them niggas want their dicks up. Bitch, come in here. I'm gonna get 10 of my niggas. We'll pay you probably about 10 racks. 10 of my niggas wanna get sucked.
Yeah.
Period. You down or what?
How many dicks can you
I'm
fill up
pretty
after
sure.
one time challenge?
I'm pretty sure she got flued out after that video.
She definitely got.
She
Yeah.
definitely got flued
Niggas
out.
want their dicks
That's
up.
the
Look at
table.
Superhead. Superhead blew up.
I know, but Kendall, that was sick. There's some niggas who didn't like that shit.
Niggas, there's niggas who like that shit.
It was some that liked it.
Niggas like that shit.
They did get hyped up out
I
that
know
shit.
it's one nigga who better not have like that shit. And that's all I gotta say.
And he liked that. Anyways, nah, he loved it actually. Hard
That's
emojis.
all I gotta say.
Okay, so fuck you cucumber sucking, no cucumber salad making assholes.
The chicken salad, bitch.
We been going to ASAP like Rocky.
Chicken salad, hoe. Green onions. Do you use green onions in your meals?
You bitches can't do shit.
Bell peppers.
But suck a cucumber.
Ain't
What do you use any type of vegetables when you cooking your food?
Oh,
To season your meat, fresh onions, fresh
yeah,
bell
they don't care
peppers.
about that shit. They suck and dick to get
Seasoning.
flued out. That's not what get them flued out.
Bitches, you seasoning your
They don't care. No, yeah.
The goal
And I ain't
in
talking
life,
about with
That's
just
to
a
get
lot.
flued out.
Do you have
Right.
multiple seasons?
You think the niggas worry about
the
seasoning?
goal in
The
life,
goal is the life is to
get flued out and get likes. That's what the goal is for women these
You
days.
talking about seasons in the
No.
pantry.
No.
I'm talking about.
That's not gonna get me paid.
I'm talking.
Lose.
They just want to get food.
No, bitch.
There.
No, bitch. I'm talking about.
There.
No, I'm
No.
talking about Susie Homemaker.
No.
Baking Pillsbury cookies.
Oh, bitch.
Making some chewy. Making some.
Or to get the
crispy.
parts of some shoes. That's the goal these days.
The only vegetable these hoes know is this.
Bitch, what's your pH balance?
Anyways.
Stank ass hoe. Thank you.
PH in their mouth. That's what them nails stay. How you
Thank
doing?
you.
A$AP Rocky, what's up?
Free A$AP.
Do we feel bad or do we not? Because honestly, as I've been reading up today, I didn't realize he had so much hatred toward black people. I read so many comments today about A$AP Rocky. Tweets from him, they resurfaced today. When the Ferguson shit was going on, I don't give a fuck about that Ferguson shit. I'm from Beverly Hills. That shit ain't got nothing to do with me. He say dark-skinned bitches shouldn't wear red lipstick. He had a whole bunch of motherfucking tweets about black people. Everybody is now saying any black woman that support A$AP Rocky a goddamn fool. Because of how he done dogged us out based on his comments in the past. Which he do fuck with white bitches. And he don't fuck with
but I just found this motherfucker.
So do we should feel bad because he is in the circumstances that he is in? Ladies, talk to me. Ratchets.
I feel bad he's in that situation, but also at the same hand, I feel like it's a lesson learned. It's a lesson learned. It's a lesson learned that you get to see, you humble yourself. You forgot where you came from. So don't forget, just because you got money now and you live in Beverly Hills, you are still a black ass nigga and you still get treated the same with money or without money.
And you know what? God works in mysterious ways.
He sure does.
Because they're treating you the way you're being treated is because of your skin color. The only reason you're in this situation is because you're a black man.
You're rich and you can't even get yourself out the situation right now.
Exactly.
I'm just saying. Somebody was messing with you and you went to jail. That's the type of shit that goes on every day here.
But you think because you live in Beverly Hills that you're going to get treated differently? You're in another country. You're an American. They don't give a fuck. And on top of that, you a black nigga. Exactly. You American and you black. You think they care about you, bitch?
No.
And the same people that signed the petition to get your bitch ass signed is a lot of the black bitches that you sitting there and have dialed out in the past.
But you know what?
So what you think? But I know he's under some fucked up circumstances. They say the nigga is eating an apple a day.
Damn.
They say the nigga is feces is in their rats. They say he's in inhumane conditions.
That's crazy.
Oh my God, I hate rats. I'm terrified.
No, they say it's feces.
Jesus!
He said he can only eat an apple a day because the food is so they're feeding him like dog food. They say that he's in inhumane conditions. That's why he needs to get out of there.
That is crazy.
They say he's in solitary confinement in inhumane conditions.
And the people who don't know the story, we probably should
run it back
recap it. But basically, he was in Sweden with his crew, and these white guys started messing with him, following him. So of course he has security, and the guys got into his space. And the security, kind of, roughed him up a little bit. Next thing you know, the white boy takes his headphones off and throws them at the security dude. So, of course, the security dude is protecting himself, and they got into it. So, guess who went to jail? A$AP. And not the white boy.
It's a conspiracy.
It's crazy.
Isn't that crazy? That's crazy.
That is crazy to me.
And they tried to avoid them.
Because he's protecting himself.
It was a setup.
I feel like it was a setup. He tried to deter.
And that's another reason why black people, we need to control our anger. Even though he was pushing him. Even though I know what it looked like. Just keep on. Shit, I don't know. I guess it wasn't.
He felt unsafe.
I know.
But the thing is, A$AP didn't hit him. His security guard did.
Yeah.
But A$AP went to jail.
That's crazy. It has to be more to the story.
That's just crazy.
But that's why they're trying to get him back over here because of the conditions that he's in.
Of course.
And I really don't understand.
Why is it so hard though? What's taking so long? How long has he been in jail?
Bitch, like a week now.
What's taking so long?
Bitch, the laws over there is different.
That's true.
He's in another country.
A whole different country. So ain't no telling. It's probably
that's
not
why
like
y'all gotta keep y'all black ass over here in the motherfucking States. Quit doing all that extra shit, fam. Keep your bitch ass over here in the USA.
Hate America.
They don't like Americans. And you black. You black as fuck.
So black.
Pretty smile having that nigga.
Cute ass nigga.
Cute ass nigga.
Oh, cute ass.
He a little cutie.
He is. I ain't gonna
Cute
lie.
ass.
So adorable.
Cute ass little boy.
He a cute ass little boy.
Cute ass little boy.
Pretty teeth ass nigga.
Cute ass little boy.
Bitch ass over there locked up talking about black hoes. Now your pretty teeth ass over there.
I wish you had a black hoe to
You
eat.
want the black hoe,
I
right?
wish you
right.
had a black hoe to
Feed your bitch ass.
She would have held you down.
Apple. That's fucked up. Let me stop.
God bless.
I hope he come out of it.
Yeah, because I don't
wish that on nobody though. I do hope you come about that shit, fam, because you don't deserve it. But watch how you treat other people, bro.
That's
because
so
you never
real.
know what circumstances God gonna put you in, fam.
Yeah.
And I feel like that was a test. And now you understand.
Yeah.
Watch what you say.
Yeah. So, who else been on some foul ass shit?
All these hoe ass niggas. So what y'all think about why Lucci and Reginae?
What happened with them?
Well, I mean, they had posted him on the shade room. I guess he was tipping some strippers or something. He was,
oh my God.
That's
what y'all niggas do.
He was doing something with a girl, but I don't know. He was kind of.
Reginae, you are 10 years old.
He was being for a guy, I'm gonna say this. For a man in a relationship, to me,
it looked like he was doing
being inappropriate.
The pictures were inappropriate?
The picture was inappropriate. If I was his
so it wasn't no regular just tilt pictures?
If I was his woman, I would feel.
Taylor, did you see it?
I saw the picture.
I didn't see it. What happened?
But then his friend came back and was like, was apologizing to Reginae. Like, I'm sorry. That was my fault.
What?
He got out of hand.
Y'all.
We was drinking. You know, like, trying to cover. I'm like,
why are you coming to do this?
Honestly, he childish.
That's some little boy shit. Why you sending your friend to fight your battles? No, you come over here.
My name is Lucci.
I think she can do better.
Reginae, you are barely 21, bro.
She looking for.
I get it. You grown now.
She want her daddy and these niggas.
But Lucci has, 4 or 5 kids?
He does.
They all 3 or 4? Come on, bitch.
But he just be doing too much.
You got brothers and sisters older than his fucking kids. Stop, bro.
He just do too much.
Lucci ain't gonna do right by you, bitch. He a rap nigga like your mama told you, ho. I know first up how these hoe ass rap niggas is. Learn, bitch. Girls don't listen, bro.
But you know, I mean, everybody entitled to learn by themselves. That's one thing you gotta keep in mind.
You do.
We did shit
hard head make a soft ass.
We all did what we wanted to do. Everybody who preaching that same preach did exactly what we wanted to do. So that's just what she gonna have to do. She gonna have to go through some shit, get through some shit, and be done with some shit.
I think she definitely learning now. Like, you can tell, like, she like, nigga, I'm about to be done with your ass.
You think so, girl?
Yeah.
But niggas do all in the public. You know, he behind closed doors, he probably be kissing her motherfucking ass.
I don't think so. I think he doing what he wanna do.
I mean, I'm sure he does, but I'm sure, you know, niggas do
Niggas
different
do from
behind the camera.
They do from behind closed doors. Just like that Fabulously Emily shit. Who knows, behind closed doors, Fabulous could be kissing her fucking pussy every 2 minutes, because it's a reason why she ain't with no more. He might flex on the ground like he don't want her woo woo woo, but bitch, after 10 years, you probably sucking that bitch pussy every left and right.
They are still together, so.
She ain't gonna leave.
No.
What y'all think? Should she have left out? He knocked her teeth out.
Yes.
Yes.
I would have been gone.
What?
What are you talking about?
I still love him.
Fabulous, why would you do that?
I don't care.
Why would you knock my mother?
I love him. I not gonna leave him.
Why would you knock my teeth out?
I don't care.
No.
No.
I love him. We got kids together.
Why would you do this?
I'm not staying.
Kill him, knock all of them out, fuck.
That's fucked up. You got
Oh my God.
And I do it again, bitch, if you think you going somewhere.
Oh my God.
You think she leave?
No.
I hate y'all. He ain't wife you, ill. He gonna knock your shit out, though. Bitch.
Fabulous, why are you so angry?
He don't want her. She won't
He
leave.
does want
Go!
her. He does want her.
I don't know. When people get tired, they'll get tired. And we're not making fun of, domestic violence.
We're not making fun, but it's like we making fun of her dumb ass for not leaving after that. That's what we making fun of. Because the nigga knocked my teeth out. I don't give a fuck how long we been together. Bye, bitch.
I just feel like, what would you tell your daughter? If your daughter came to you.
She had a grown daughter.
I'm just saying, if your daughter came to you and said, Mama, this nigga knocked my teeth out.
I'm gonna go knock his teeth out.
Exactly.
And your daughter went back to that man. So you're basically an example to your daughter. Your daughter is grown enough to realize, okay, this nigga knocked my mama teeth out, but he's still here. So you basically taught your daughter, no matter what a man do to you, how bad he disrespect you,
don't
you
leave.
stick through it. You stay there.
You don't leave.
You deal with it. You put up with it. That's what you've shown your daughter because that's what you've done. So I just feel like women in general and guys, like with your sons, be careful how you treat women because your sons is gonna imitate that. You know, unconsciously. True. They're not gonna purposely do it, but you know. You do what you taught. So
those patterns do go on. They pass on for real.
Yeah.
That stuff happens for real.
Gotta be careful with what you deal with. Period. Don't be dealing with no bullshit. Like it's okay to be with yourself. Fall in love with yourself. It's beautiful.
But I think he done beat her ass before.
Of course.
That was just probably just the extent it went to.
It got public.
But I believe that he been beating on her ass. It's just that like everything right now on social media, you can't shit without somebody knowing. So I feel like
of course he been beat her ass. Why you think it was so easy for her to go back?
Exactly. That's what I'm saying.
This is what we always do.
Yeah. That's crazy though.
This time he just kind of went a little too far. He ain't never did this like this.
Yeah, and they always go too far to their kid.
Ladies, don't deal with that. You don't have to. Remember, life is about choice.
And I know if a nigga ever put his hands on me, I ain't gonna be no victim. I'll let you know that right now.
He's gonna be the victim, bitch.
I'm not gonna be the
real.
I'm gonna be the suspect. Before I'm the victim, bitch.
I'm definitely not gonna be no victim. It ain't gonna be no feeling sorry for me. Oh, he didn't beat. No.
I'm fighting for my life, bitch.
Definitely.
And that means if I gotta take your life to fight for mine, that's what's gonna happen. Be my peace or rest in peace, bitch. Bye. Oh my God. Good night, Ratchets. What we going out to? Yeah, nigga. Be my peace or rest in peace, bitch. Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, now you know what would happen if you fuck with either one of us. And just know I got these too, okay?
I can be. Basically.
It's gonna be the other way around.
I mean, you might get a couple licks in. It's cool. But don't think that it's over.
Bitch, I'm coming, ho.
Don't think that it's over.
Bitch.
I'll handcuff a nigga, paper cut his balls, and pour bleach on him. Ooh.
Oh my God.
I heard Yeah.
You know that little pee hole?
Put your hands on me.
I'll stick a paper clip in that pee hole.
Oh my God.
God.
A paper clip?
I'll pull your big bag, bitch, and take a clip and stick it all the way through that bitch.
Make it go.
And that's how we gonna end tonight's show. That's why if you play with
And I'm gonna be on the old boy over here, paper cutting dick.
Just know I got some killers with me.
Paper
And
cutting.
they don't play. Alright? So
We got a couple
no.
bodies.
Don't fuck with us.
we got a couple bodies on us.
I'm just playing. Case the feds watch.
For real, just playing.
They gonna start putting murders on the bitch. She did two, she did three. Them hoes we been looking for right there. Okay, Ratchets, what's up? We missed y'all.
So we about to do it. Cause I know y'all gotta go to work.
Wait, I got something for y'all, Ratchets. Hold on.
Ooh.
Hey, what the fuck she talking about?
Yeah, what's going on?
What the fuck she talking about? What the
Oh.
fuck she talking about, bro? No, we need to wait.
Don't do it. I'm not ready.
Wait till we work. What you doing now?
Alright, fuck it.
No, wait till we all do it. No, it's not. No.
Okay, y'all, we gonna wait.
No.
We gonna wait.
I have a sneak peek or something.
Oh my gosh.
That's it. We got something for y'all.
Something.
We got something for y'all, and that's all I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all only get a taste.
Just know.
There was a sample, a whole
Just in
half
case you don't watch the show tonight.
I'm
we
a
gonna
bus
have some-
You went
Just in case you don't watch the show, we busting. You hear me?
Automatically.
Okay, so what we going out to tonight, Ratchets? What y'all want
I'm done.
They've been saying it's a hot boy song.
It's a hot boy motherfucking lifetime for you niggas. Shut the fuck up.
Ooh. So what we going out to tonight?
Sorry.
Let me see.
Ratchet CHATZ.
Maybe I keep it realer than real.
I want to hear.
Yeah, fuck how you
Lights
feel.
out, bitch.
I want to hear Freak Nasty.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Hey, Ratchet. Kevin, where can they find us before we go?
Yeah.
Come
Oh,
on.
sorry. You can find us on Ratchet_CHATZ.podcast. That's on Instagram. And then also, if you missed the show tonight, tomorrow the link is going to be in the bio. So all you do is click the link and make sure you subscribe. And just remember, we're here every Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. Yes, we were on time today. I just want to point that out. We're on time, okay? All right?
So if you told the fuck in, you know that we're live every Wednesday night at 9:30.
9:30.
Catch us, your girl, your clique. Dallas hottest podcast, Ratchet CHATZ.
Hey.
Ratchet CHATZ podcast. Ratchet CHATZ.